Okay, so this is a doorbell from AliExpress. It took like 20 days to get here. So this one is Tuya app compatible. That's why I got it. And they give you the tools. They give you, what is this one here? Screws. The main thing is the doorbell. Wow, it's very nice, very heavy. It does come with the this one for a side angle one, and this for the base. And this one is the ringer, so we can plug it anywhere in the house. So one thing about this one is you can use the either AC 24 volts. So it's the same as the Nest. And this one is the micro USB charging cable. So this one also have the SD card slot in here, which you can put it in so you can record. And it has the on-off button. I don't know what's for. Okay, so you just take a micro SD. I want to use a 32 gig and push it in and see if it's going to record and hold it. Okay, so before we hook up the 24 volts transformer, a 120 AC, 12 to 24 volts, what we're going to do is we're going to plug in the power using the micro USB to set it up first, okay? See if it works. So we plug it in, we turn the power on, and then we reset the devices right here.
System reset.
Okay. So after we reset, and then we're going to look for it, is to make sure that our phone, the one you use to set up with, connected to the SSID that we want to connect this one to, okay? So we have to have the Tuya Smart app. Now, we're gonna add device. Let's start manually. And then what we're gonna do is to go to the camera and lock. And then we're gonna have the smart doorbell dual band because we have both 5G and 2.4G. So the first one we need to do is to reset the device. So next step. So now you see they have dog and monkey already. So we're gonna do that. They already see it already. So we're going to use a camera to scan this one. So you have to hold the camera to it. Just like in the picture there. I heard a prompt. So it's connecting the device. Wow, it's done. You want to update the main module? Update now. Update. Start update. Okay, so we're gonna wait for it to update. So we will push the button. It will be right there. And they tell you you have a visitor and smart doorbell is ringing. That's really good. Okay, so in order to connect this, you have to hold this one the volume for 5 seconds until the light is on into the mute mode. And then you turn this on. And you can hear it. So to select the sound, you press the sound button and then you choose the song, the sound that you want. Okay, it's very simple. Oh, one more thing is that you have to make sure that your Tuya phone on your phone is connected to the device before you can do that one, okay? So you turn this one on, right? Your smart doorbell. The smart doorbell, when you use the battery, it will be in the sleeping mode. And when you walk to the door, and it will turn on. So I walk to the door, and it will turn on. And when you ring the bell, so it will show up that somebody is ringing the bell.
Operation failed. Lock has been opened.
So it will show here that the battery is 88%. So it's only used for 2 days. So the best one is to wire it. It's better. Playback, because we have the micro SD and it's motion detection, so it's only record whatever they have the motion detection. So it's very good.